and welcome back to another DCM Online Academy. My name is Megan, and today we're going to discuss reflectors. In filmmaking and photography, a reflector is a tool used to redirect light towards the subject, helping to control the lighting and improve image quality. Reflectors do not produce light themselves, but bounce existing light, whether that be natural sunlight or artificial studio light, onto a subject to ultimately fill shadows, soften harsh lighting, or highlight certain features. Now, they come in various shapes and sizes and colors, each serving a different purpose. White reflectors, for instance, provide soft, neutral light. Silver reflectors offer a brighter, more contrasted reflection. Gold reflectors add a warm tone, and black reflectors can actually be used to block light and create shadows. Reflectors can be an essential part of your toolkit in both the studio and outdoor settings, as they allow you to manipulate lighting without the need for any additional power sources or any complex equipment. Thanks for watching another DCM Online Academy.